welcome back to Pioneer News. Today is March 10th, 2017. I'm Carla Farfan.
And I'm Adriana Acevedo. Here's Victoria with today's weather report.
Good morning. It's your weather girl, Victoria Sarchik, coming live from Lakewood High School with your current weather. March is an unpredictable month. You can expect anything. It is currently 38 degrees with a mixture of rain and snow. Today, the rain will turn into snow with a high of 42. And tonight, temperatures will drop into the teens with a low of 12. Back to you.
Thank you, Victoria.
Today's word of the day is capacious, which means very large and spacious. For example, the car has a capacious trunk that makes it an excellent choice for large families. Try using capacious in a sentence 3 times today.
Here's Taeyeon Hart with your quote of the day.
Taeyeon Hart, University of South Carolina Sons of Baseball commit with the quote of the day. Don't cry because it's over, smile because it happened. Dr. Seuss. Thank you.
Thank you, Taeyeon. Support the National Art Honor Society and buy a student-designed long-sleeve t-shirt for $15. Please see Miss Lowe in B226 to order yours today.
There will be an audition for talent shows run by Tri-M on March 16 and March 21st in room A103 right after school.
Attention all seniors, permission slips and bids for Senior for Well are available now. See Miss Reddy or Miss Shan. Bids are $90 per person if purchased before April 1st. We will take deposits of $50 or more.
Attention all seniors. Seniors are being asked to donate for the gift auction to be held here at Lakewood High School on March 24th. Please see Miss Reddy or Miss Shan about how you can donate.
Junior prom will be April 28th. Bids are now on sale for $80. See Miss Spicer in B201. While you are there, Pioneer Black sweatshirts are now on sale again for $20.
We are recruiting for Teen Pep. If you are interested in receiving an application to join for next year and are an upcoming junior or senior, please come to school base and see Miss Natasha.
It's time for our PBSIS weekly winners. 9th grade, Jonathan Santiago, given to by Miss Spicer for moving without complaining. 10th grade, Eliza Rojas, given to by Miss Shan for participating. 11th grade, Jason Romero, given to by Miss Gregory for being respectful. And 12th grade, Omar Cordero, given to by Mr. Zangle for being respectful. Our teacher winners are Mrs. Ellsbury and Mr. Nunez, given by Shanita. Awesome job on your good behavior and work. That's all we have for today. I'm Carla Farfan.
And I'm Adriana Acevedo.
This has been Pioneer News. Have a great day. Go Pioneers!